What's up, in the loop? Kenny here from Chicago, and today I want to introduce a new series I'm going to be doing this summer at Six Flags with the season-long dining pass. Here you're looking at the menu for Great America, all the locations throughout the park, and what is available with your dining pass. As you can see, the hour has been added on here at the end of the day. Dinner used to end at 7:30, it's now 8:30. So these are, again, like I said, all the locations. It's quite an extensive menu, actually. Snacks, 11:30 to 8:30. I think you get one of those each day. So what I'm going to do is take this menu, and I thought it would be fun to try as many of these as possible. If there are any in particular you would like to see, be sure to comment below. Where we're going to start today, being opening day, they have a new restaurant called Strutters. So I am going to head in and show you this restaurant and the menu and make my selection. This new restaurant called Strutters. I apologize for forgetting at the moment what this was. Something Aunt Martha's Kitchen something or another last season. So this is all brand new. New paint job, new name obviously. It's like they will specialize in famous chicken sandwiches, brews, and spirits. That's an interesting addition. Be able to get some alcohol at this place. Let's head in and check it out. So we're inside Strutters. We got some TVs. It's nice. We have a bar over here. That is most definitely a good thing. Let's go get a look at the menu over here. Get a look here at the bar menu. Got your different draft beers. These prices are for a 22-ounce cup. A little bit steep. At least a decent menu here. Nice selection. Let's see. The Goliath. Sounds pretty tasty. Not sure, however, what size that is. But there's a look at a couple different drinks they offer. We've also got bottled beer, wine. So there you go. There's the Strutters bar drink menu. Take a look there. That's the walk-up portion outside. Got some TVs in there you can't see. Overall, pretty nice. Plenty of seating. Plenty of televisions. It's very wide open. They open the whole front of the building. Just out there, there's a whole outdoor patio. This is kind of similar to the JB's sports bar, whatever the hell that place is called, in the back of the park. Okay guys, so the first admission to this year's Dining Pass review series, I'm going to try the Deluxe grilled chicken sandwich from Strutters. I will let you know how this goes. This price is out at $12.99, but I have the dining pass, so it didn't cost me anything. Napkins blowing everywhere here. Looks like got the sandwich, obviously, some waffle fries, a little muffin. So let me dive into this and I will give you a review afterwards. So I already ate the cornbread muffin, just solid. If you like cornbread, you'll like it. Waffle fries, got a nice season to them. Got the dining pass. It's absolutely a good deal, obviously. You're already paying for it, why not use it? If I was paying $12.99, I think is what this meal costs. Pretty steep, to be honest with you. Chicken sandwich. Not bad. Grilled chicken breast. Tomato, lettuce, pickle. Looks like it's got maybe like Monterey Jack cheese on it or something. It's not bad. It's about on par with like a Wendy's or something. It's actually a lot of what it reminds me of. Overall though, it's not bad. If I had to rate it, it has a bit of a kick to it. I don't know if that's the cheese or seasoning on the chicken. I love my chicken sandwiches. I'd probably give it a 4 out of 5. Recommend it. Got any other meals anywhere throughout the park you'd like me to try? Suggestions, things you'd like to see, get a rating on? Comment below. Or find me on Twitter, InTheLoopKenny. That's my handle. Alright, so here we have some more new stuff for the park. 2016. We've got the Totally Kickin Chicken boneless wings. This is right next to the entrance to American Eagle. And X-Flight's on the other side. Over here in the county fair section. This is more of a quick service setup than Strutters, the other new restaurant. So the menu's a little more limited. Got your dining pass options over there. Chicken fingers mostly, chicken strips. They do sell beer here. It's a lot more limited again, more of a quick service instead of a sit-down situation. They only have MGD and Miller Lite for the cool price of $10.99. So, yeah. I'm just patiently waiting until 4:30 so I can get my chicken fingers, try it out with some teriyaki sauce. That's that. So, because I had the chicken sandwich earlier, I was going to go with a healthier option, but because the Totally Kickin Chicken is a new restaurant, I guess I'll have to try their chicken fingers. I went with the teriyaki flavor. So I will try this and we'll come back with a rating so you don't have to watch me eat. Alright, so I ate most of the chicken strips, some of the fries. Give you my rating before I finish this off. Get out of here. Chicken fingers are alright. They're not bad. If you like teriyaki sauce, it's pretty tasty. They've got 4 other flavors. I think there was like a habanero, a barbecue, something else I can't remember. Just rewind the video and look back at the menu. I almost feel though that they would benefit slightly from having a dip on the side instead of smothering entirely. But nonetheless, still pretty tasty. The fries, really nothing special at all, not seasoned or anything, just regular French fries. So they're very bland. So overall, I would probably give this a 2 out of 5. I probably wouldn't do it again. I'm gonna end up trying one of the other flavors likely, but I would not get this again. I certainly wouldn't pay the $12.99, but that's why they sell a dining pass, and that's why I've got it. So it's worth a try. So, as I said before, if you've got any other recommendations, comment below or hit me up on Twitter @InTheLoopKenny. And stay tuned for future dining pass rating videos.